A small group of engineering students from Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, along with a Chennai-based 3D printing company, are now 3D printing face shields that can be used by frontline warriors. The face shield comes with two principal components, an acrylic sheet and a headband to hold it in place. The face shield gives protection from accidental contact with bodily fluids. The team currently prints two pieces simultaneously every 40 minutes using a single printer. They are currently supplying it to the government hospitals and the police free of cost, and to private hospitals at manufacturing cost.